Hi everyone, it's Vicky and welcome back to my channel. Today our tutorial is going to be about UFO cuffs, just like this one I'm wearing here. Two quick things before we get started today. If you're in need of any candy supplies, check out my sponsor candybeads.com. If you use my code Vicky, you can get 10% off of your beads. Also, if you do want to support my channel even more, you can check out my Etsy shop in the links below. Anyways guys, let's get started. Okay, the first thing you need to do to make your UFO cuff is to make an X-base cuff. I do have a tutorial on that, which I will link in the description down below. For the cuff I'm showing you today, you do want your X-base cuff to be 6 rows. And you want it to where you have 3 little center pieces up and down, because we are going to be using these center pieces to build on top of the cuff. You'll also need like some pony beads and whatever charms or letter beads or stuffed animals, whatever else you want to add on the outside once we're done building it up into the UFO shape. You're going to want to use some pretty stretchy string because it is a bracelet. I'm going to get a piece of string that is, how big should we go? I went from the length of my outstretched arm to my opposite shoulder. So you're going to place your string through one of those center beads that's in the middle of your cuff. And then you're going to place 5 beads of whatever color you want onto the string. So we have our 5 beads on the string, and then I'm going to place the string through the next center bead that's in the middle of the cuff. So it's coming out of there. I'm going to place my string through that one and pull it through. And now you have like this awkward little pointy thing sticking out, and we're going to do that all the way around the cuff. So I'm going to show you this step one more time. Go ahead and place 5 beads onto your string, like that, and then place your string through the next little middle center bead. And now we have another awkward pointy thing sticking out of our bracelet. And you're just going to do this all the way around the bracelet. Once you've gone all the way around, you want to tie it. And then I like to go around the whole thing and pull on the little thingies to get them tighter. Awesome. So you're going to tie yourself a square knot about 3 times. Pull it tight and cut those ends off. Wow, it kind of looks like a little galaxy. That's pretty cool. Okay, now we're going to get another piece of string. I'm going to go with the same length I had last time. So we're going to go ahead and put our string through one of the green center beads of the top row. Bam. Then you're going to place on 3 beads of your color choice and put your string through the point of one of these awkward little thingies, whichever one is next and closest. Cool beads. So my string is going from this bead to this bead. Then I'm going to put 3 more on. And then I'm going to place my string through the next top center bead. Like that. So we sort of just made a little V shape, so it's going here to here to here. So we're going to keep doing that all the way around the bracelet. Now I'm going to go ahead and tighten this little row thingy just like I did the last one. So I'm just going to pull on each little attachment that I just made And it's okay if your bracelet kind of looks like a dead alien spider right now. Once we do the other side, it should start looking more shapely. Okay, so she kind of perked up after we tightened her up a little bit, so go ahead and give that thing a couple of square knots and then cut off the ends. Alright guys, go ahead and flip her over and we're gonna do the next side. You need another long piece of string. Better that it be too long than too short, because then you have to like go do the add the string thing, which if you do need to add any string, there is a tutorial for that on my channel. I know it can be very stressful to try to do that at first. So you're going to put your string through a top center bead again, just like last time. Add 3 beads of your choice of color. And place your string through the center point of your middle attachment, like so. Go ahead and put, ooh, I dropped a bead. Go ahead and put 3 more beads onto the string and place your string through the next center bead on the top, and just do this all the way around the bracelet. Guys, it's like we're almost done already. Alright, once you made your way all the way around the bracelet, tighten your attachment all the way around. And you should see the bracelet start to take a more UFO-like shape. Go ahead and tie it off. So now we're basically going to be filling in the gaps between the little points on the bracelet. This is where I usually will add like cool charms if I'm going to. Today I'm going to be using these sparkly balls that I got from my sponsor candybeads.com. Remember, if you want anything from their site, you can use my code Vicky and get 10% off. Those sparkly balls are epic, guys. So you're gonna want a piece that you think is like big enough to go all the way around this thing. Maybe just more of like a 1 arm length piece. You're gonna place your string through one of the outside points, and then you're gonna put pony beads, charms, letter beads, whatever it is that you want to fill in your gaps with. Okay, so I did a pony bead on each side and I did my sparkly ball. Then I'm going to put my string through the next point. And that's going to look really nice. So then go ahead and do this again. Put your space fillers onto the string. And then put your string through the next point. And that's starting to look real nice. And you're just going to do this all the way around the bracelet. Okay guys, once you have your spacer beads going all the way around your cuff, you're going to want to tighten it and tie it off. Okay, she turned out pretty epically. I love these dang sparkly balls. And you could even go like beyond this, guys. Like, you can tie perlers onto it. I don't know if you saw the one I'm wearing. It has a teddy bear that one of my friends gave me tied onto it. Just go nuts. Sky's the limit, really. I mean, honestly, no limits. Let's be real. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed making your very own UFO cuff. Connect with me in the links in the description to show me what you made today. Comment below with any questions or suggestions, and until next time, peace, love, unity, and respect.